Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to make a quick little video, another ChatGPT revelation, I should say. Just a quick one, kind of a fun one. I've been hearing, I happened to see, what is his name, on Barstool, the pizza guy, what's his name? On Barstool Sports pizza guy, I forget his first name. Anyways, always talking about New Haven pizza, and then ah-beets this, ah-beets that. And I had no clue what he was talking about. So I looked it up, and here's what ChatGPT, what is the meaning of a pizza? Capital A, no space, pizza, it's pronounced ah-beets. Ah-beets is a term originating from the Neapolitan dialect for pizza, and it is primarily associated with the New Haven, Connecticut area. This style of pizza is a part of the local culinary culture and is especially well known for its thin, charred crust pizza. Key features of the New Haven style ah-beets include, number one, coal-fired ovens. I've heard wood-fired, but coal-fired ovens. These give the crust its signature charred, crispy texture. I can imagine that these would get hotter than wood-burning ovens. 2, thin crust. The dough is often stretched thinner than in other pizza styles. 3, fresh, simple toppings. Often features high-quality tomato sauce, a light touch of cheese, sometimes just grated pecorino, and other classic toppings like clams for the iconic white clam pizza. And 4, mozzarella by request. Traditional ah-beets might not automatically include mozzarella unless it is specifically ordered as a mozzarella pizza ah-beets. Mozzarella ah-beets. So the term reflects the Italian-American immigrant influence in the region and remains a cherished culinary tradition in New Haven, where famous pizzerias like Frank Pepe Pizzeria Napolitana and Sally's ah-beets have pronounced it. So there you go. Now that I think of it, my favorite pizza in Salt Lake City is Sette Bello's pizza, and it says Napolitano. I think on the thing it says Napolitano style pizza, and it's very delicious and healthy, and yeah, enjoyed it very much. Anyways, just a short, quick 3-minute video to tell you what ah-beets is. Okay, it's a pizza. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.